Oh, hey, you guys. Welcome back. I'm finna clean my patio because I'm sick of these bugs and everything, you guys. So I done put some water down. Here are these planes again. I was complaining about these planes earlier. Before. So I'm just trying to get some of this. This is an old broom. This is not the broom that I apply to my house. This broom stays in my basement. And I use this broom to clean off my patio and my front porch. It's an old broom. So I'm just trying to get some of this off of the patio because they spraying the kids. Look at that. Somebody crying. I ain't gonna lie, that sort of scared me because I thought they was, when I looked up and I saw somebody running or something. I wonder did they know them kids. I don't know, wherever they shooting them kids with, the kids are saying it hurts. So I know it's not just water. So it's something else that they shooting them with. So that's going to be a problem within itself because they're only going to take that child to go home and tell a parent. Well, day in the life. Me trying to clean up my patio. And kids bothering other kids. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now. Bye, guys.